Moin moin and welcome to a new text tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to make this awesome text. Let's go. To follow this tutorial, you only need Photoshop installed. First, open Photoshop. Then, click Create New. For this tutorial, I choose 1000 x 1000 pixels and a resolution of 100. Click Create. Great. Okay, now click on New Layer, then get your text tool, left click, type text, press OK, press Ctrl T on your keyboard and pull it out a bit and put it in center. Copy the text. Take the bottom text, press Ctrl T, click OK. What I do is I switch colors so I see which one of those two layers are selected. I've chosen blue. Now set the opacity of the top text a bit lower. Now you see the two texts. You need to connect those to each other. This is what I'm going to do now. Therefore, I use the freeform lasso. Now choose your brush tool on your back layer and paint it in. Now make a new layer between the top and the bottom text. Turn down the opacity of the top text. Now do the same procedure as we've done in the back text. Because the light comes from above, we will paint the top of the layer in white and the bottom black. Choose a more soft brush. We will do that for every letter. And also don't forget to save your files, cause Photoshop likes to crash. Now double click on the top layer, which is black right now, and color it the same color as the bottom text. Now we will add a gradient. I pull the black and white more together, so that's a more sharp look. And also create two other colors in the gradient, one again white and one to the right that will be black. Press OK. Now we will go to the inner glow. You can still do it as you like, but you can also copy my presets. Now we'll add a inner shadow. And now we're done for the first part. Now create another layer, choose your freeform lasso tool and start painting in sharp edges. That adds a little bit of glow effect to it. I hope you liked the video, and if you want more, just subscribe and like the video and comment on what I should do in the next video or where I could improve.